Hello students, in standard 5 you have already studied sentences and types of sentences. Let's revise them. Sentences and types of sentences. A sentence can be divided into two parts, a subject and a predicate. For example, the cat ran fast. Here, the cat is a subject. Who ran fast? The cat ran fast. And ran fast is a predicate. What did the cat do? The cat ran fast. Predicate always starts with a verb. Let's see few more examples. He has a good memory. In this sentence, he is the subject. Who has a good memory? He. And the remaining part, has a good memory, is the predicate of the sentence. Let's see another sentence. The earth revolves round the sun. What revolves round the sun? The earth. So we are talking about the earth. So the subject is the earth. And the remaining part, revolves round the sun, is the predicate of the sentence. I shot an arrow into the air. Who shot an arrow into the air? I. So I is the subject. And shot an arrow into the air is predicate. A sentence consists of subject, verb and object. Let us look at few examples. The boys threw stones. Who threw stones? The boys. So the boys is the subject. Threw is the verb. What did the boys throw? Stones. So stones is the object. Look at another sentence. They carried the diamonds. Who carried the diamonds? They. So they is the subject. Carried is the verb and the diamonds is the object. My friend gave me a pen. Who gave me a pen? My friend. My friend is the subject. Gave is the verb. What did my friend give to me? A pen. So, me a pen is object. Students, let us remember that objects are of two kinds, indirect object and direct object. Let us look at this sentence. The teacher gave me a book. Who did the teacher give a book to? The teacher gave a book to me. So, me is indirect object. What did the teacher give? The teacher gave me a book. So, a book is direct object. Sentences and types of sentences. Sentences are of four kinds. Declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence. They are also called as assertive sentence. The sentence begins with a capital letter. We place a full stop after the sentence. Let us look at a few examples. We go to school. She is a beautiful girl. The roses are pretty. Declarative sentences are of two kinds, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Let us look at few examples. I like mangoes. It is an affirmative sentence. I have a book. The sum is easy. Now let us look at negative sentences correlated to these affirmative sentences. I don't like mangoes. Can you see the difference? In affirmative sentence, it is I like mangoes. Whereas in a negative sentence, we say I don't like mangoes. Similarly, I have a book is affirmative sentence. And the negative sentence would be I don't have a book. Next example, the sum is easy. It is an affirmative sentence. The negative sentence for the same will be the sum is not difficult. Imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, we either give an order or request or a command. Let us look at few examples. Open your book, children. It is an order. Please give me a glass of water. It is a request. Meet me after the school. It is a command. Interrogative sentences. There are four kinds of interrogative sentences. Yes or no questions. For example, are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready to go. Or I don't want to go. Alternative questions. Do you want coffee or tea? Yes, I want coffee. Or no, I want tea. WH questions. What are you doing? I am writing a letter. Tag questions. You live here, don't you? Sinbad was a sailor, wasn't he? Sunil does not have a book, does he? Let us look at the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions such as anger, frustration, happiness, love, surprise, sorrow. The sentence is denoted with an exclamatory mark. Let us look at few examples. That is a huge fish. It expresses the emotion of surprise about the size of fish. What a beautiful day. It is the emotion of happiness. He is such a nice boy. It expresses the emotion of satisfaction. Now let us do some classwork which you have to write it down in your notebooks. Let us look at the first sentence. How much money do you have? What kind of sentence is it? Interrogative sentence. You are a good man. It is an assertive sentence. Ouch! That really hurts. It is an example of exclamatory sentence. Come with me. It is an example of imperative sentence. Pandit Nehru was a noble man. It is an assertive sentence. Thank you.